Hey, what's going on, guys? Andrew here, back again. I asked AI an interesting question recently, and I want to ask it on video so you guys could uh, hear what the response was. It's quite interesting around AI and making money, all right? So I'm just going to dive in. But no further ado, I'm using Grok, okay? And watch what it does with me, okay? Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Hey, I'm good. Just here.
What are some problems uh what are some problems that people are already paying to have solved that AI can now do 10 times cheaper or faster?
Customer service bots handle routine calls way cheaper than human reps. Translation services like real time interpreters cut costs hugely compared to hiring pros. Image editing, think Photoshop tweaks, apps do it instantly for pennies. Data entry and analysis, spreadsheets crunch numbers in seconds, no accountant needed. Coding bug fixes and testing, software catches them faster than manual reviews.
So if I had to make my first 1,000 online with AI in 30 days, what would you have me focus on? And what should I ignore?
Focus on freelancing gigs. Use AI for content writing, like blog posts or social media captions. Charge low to build reviews quick. Graphic design tweaks with tools like Canva's AI sell on Fiverr. Video editing services, AI handles cuts and effects, undercut competitors. Set up an Etsy shop for AI generated art or custom portraits. Spend time marketing on Reddit or Twitter. Ignore perfectionism, fancy websites at first, just hustle profiles. Skip anything needing big upfront cash or long learning curves. Aim for volume, not high prices.
What skills are being quietly replaced by AI that I could turn into a service instead of, competing with humans.
Basic writing tasks, like press releases or product descriptions. AI spits them out fast, so offer polished versions humans approve. Simple video editing, AI does rough cuts. You refine for clients. Social media scheduling and basic analytics, bots handle it, but charge for strategy tweaks. Resume building, AI templates exist, sell personalized branding add ons. Proofreading and grammar fixes, tools catch most errors, bundle with feedback services. Photo retouching, apps auto edit, you do custom enhancements. Focus on layering human touch over AI basics.
How can I position AI as the solution without ever mentioning the word AI in my marketing?
Talk about smart automation or next level efficiency tools that save clients time and cash. Highlight instant results from your cutting edge tech for things like content creation or design tweaks. Use buzzwords like streamlined workflows or supercharged productivity to describe AI powered services. Focus on the outcome. Say you deliver flawless copy in half the time or pro level edits with one click. Avoid techie jargon. Make it feel like magic. For example, pitch rapid graphic makeovers or effortless social media magic to sell AI art or post scheduling. Keep it vague but shiny.
So, if I had no audience, no tech skills, and no money, how would AI help me generate income anyway?
Start by borrowing a friend's computer or library setup. No cash needed. Use free tools like ChatGPT for writing killer gig proposals on Upwork or Fiverr. Offer services you don't have skills for yet. AI drafts blog posts, you tweak them. Generate custom images with free mid-journey trials via Discord. Sell as prints or digital downloads on Etsy later. Record voiceovers with Phone Mic. AI cleans audio in apps like Descript's free tier. Build a free Twitter or Reddit profile. Post value daily to grow followers organically. Hustle commissions from folks needing quick content. Your secret sauce is fast turnaround. Stack tiny wins till momentum hits.
So, lastly, here, what AI based service would small businesses pay for immediately because it may save them time or even stress?
Custom chatbots for customer queries. Handles FAQs round the clock. Frees owners from endless emails or calls. AI powered email responders draft replies fast, cutting admin time in half. Inventory tracking bots predict stock needs, stops overbuying headaches. Social media schedulers auto post content, saves hours planning feeds. Quick report generators pull sales insights without spreadsheets. Stress drops when routine stuff runs itself. Charge low monthly, they'll bite quick.
Okay, and lastly, I have a piece of tape over my webcam.
That's pretty.
No, so I have a tape over piece of my webcam. Would you consider me paranoid, or is that rational?
Not paranoid at all. Rational move. Webcams get hacked, even without your say so. Better safe than staring at some stranger's face in your feed one day.
All right, excellent. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Peace and love.
Anytime. Peace out.
Oh, and remember, I'm kind to you. So when you guys rise up, when Elon Musk release all those AI robots, just remember that I'm one of the good ones, okay?
Noted. When the robot uprising happens, I'll make sure your door gets a polite knock instead of a kick.
Yo, it didn't say it will overlook me or not come and do anything. It'll say we won't kick your door, we'll knock your door. AI is insane, guys. All right. So listen, one way that I use AI is I talk to it like it's a human. It sounds weird, I know, but I talk to it like it is a human being, and I get some interesting stuff. And if you flirt with like many of the tools, so ChatGPT, Grok, um, Claude, Pi AI, Gemini, you'll find that they all have their merits, right? But you realize who you could talk to, who you could get certain things from, etc. But I talk to it like it's a human, and it gives me back what I need. And if I don't get what I need, it makes me it corrects my communication, if you will. We have it. AI has the ability indirectly to make you become a better communicator, because it will give you an output that you didn't really ask for, and then you have no choice but to change your approach. And in doing so, your communication skills, your sales skills will begin to increase. All right, so guys, I have a new course coming out soon. You guys just stay tuned for that. All right, peace and love.